Yo, what's great, everybody? Back with another video. Today's a beautiful day. It's a day we've never seen before, and it's a day we will never ever see again. Everywhere else, I'm known as Eddie One Take, but on this channel right here, I'm RTX Eddie. I'm going from Mac to PC, and I'm doing my first build. If you're interested, make sure you subscribe if you want to see what's going on, right? But let's get right into it, man. Just to save time, because I have a little bit of time left on my recording device. I'm gonna just unbox two products together. I've been unboxing these products individually, but we're getting close to the end where we're gonna start to do the build, so I'm just gonna knock it out. And I think it's only three left. But I got a 4K Pro Elgato capture card. Yo, I'm always hearing about capture cards, and like I think I had one before for my Xbox, but it never really. I can't even tell you what it's gonna be used for. All of this stuff I'm gonna figure out as I go, but let's open it up real quick and see. And when I say I don't know, like a lot of these terms are familiar to me, but I've never needed to use it myself, again, because I've been on Mac for the last 12 years. Rip the pill, easy. And we switched to a wide angle, if you can tell. Hope you like it. Let me know how y'all feel about the angles in the comments, man. I'm trying to give y'all the best experience. All right, cool. So got the Elgato. Let's open this up, see what's inside. Bang. Okay, this is a little piece of equipment we got here. Hold on. Let's see if we can get this out. We gotta be fragile with this stuff. Okay. We got ourselves a capture card here. It's supposed to capture something. I guess gameplay, videos. I think this is for streaming, to have a better stream as well. So we got an Elgato capture card. I'm gonna figure out, I don't know how to install that, so I'm gonna figure that out. Again, yo, shout out to my boy Sizzle, man. I probably wouldn't even be able to make this video if it wasn't for Sizzle, because I would have been spending a lot of the time trying to figure out what do I get for my PC to make it do what I needed to do. We got the 4K Elgato Pro, 4K Pro Elgato capture card. We got two more products before. I'm gonna do this one last, man. Hold on.